All right. So which one getting cut down? You're gonna, so you're cleaning all the coconuts, except for this guy right here because of the, looks like a generator. Cut this thing down, and then he's reducing these by like 3 or 4 feet. And then look, we got a sable over here. And then look, we're gonna trim a little bit of this gumbo off the water for the view. So clean, reduce, remove. You used to go watch it at War Memorial?
My mama used to go watch it there too, though.
I go there, they fight for the
Dusty Rhodes, though.
That was Lex Luger and Michael Turner. They fight for the $1 million.
Oh,
What?
Yeah, I was. Yeah, the $1 million.
You were there?
Yeah, I was there. Yeah, I always go and they have a one in commercial 1994.
Hey, Max, who's your favorite guy? Who's your favorite guy?
I like John Cena.
Who?
John Cena.
John Cena?
And his name is John Cena. Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time.
What are we talking about?
Dennis Strudel.
Dennis Strudel.
And it's stupid now. You would have been in a way better position than Boston. Come on, man. They got Russ. It's going to be a great year, man.
Are you a Lakers fan?
Yeah. I follow LeBron.
I am too. I follow LeBron everywhere.
I follow LeBron, and I'm a Seattle fan, so if Russ left, I'm with Russ, you know? So